In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a mobile app in Glide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a project, shape your screens, fine-tune the design, and publish it for others to use. First, go to Glide. Open your browser and head to the Glide website. Glide is a no-code platform that lets you build mobile-friendly apps quickly, right from your computer. You don't need to install anything, and you can follow along on any modern browser. Next, sign into your account. This ensures your work is saved as you go and lets you come back to your app from any device. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard, where all your projects live. Click New App to begin a fresh project. This opens the creation flow and sets up your workspace. You'll now choose how you want to start. You can start from scratch or select a template. Starting from scratch gives you full control from a blank canvas. Great if you already know the structure you want. Templates, on the other hand, provide a ready-made layout and sample content, which can save time and help you learn how pieces fit together. Pick the option that best fits your goal. You can customize everything later either way. Click Create App to confirm your choice and open the editor. Glide will load your new app with a live preview so you can see changes as you make them. On the left sidebar, click the Add icon to bring new elements into your app. This is where you choose what you want to add, such as text blocks, images, buttons, lists, forms, or other components that make up your screens. Add only what supports your app's purpose, and keep the layout simple and intuitive. As you place components, think about hierarchy. Put the most important information near the top. Label buttons clearly, and keep spacing consistent so everything feels easy to tap on a phone. On the right sidebar, customize your app styles. Adjust colors, fonts, and other visual settings to match your brand or the vibe you want. Aim for strong contrast for readability. Choose a clear typeface, and stick to a limited color palette. Small tweaks to padding, icons, and layout can go a long way in making your app feel polished and professional. When you're happy with the result, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This makes your app available to others through a shareable link, and you can continue updating it anytime. Changes will carry through after publishing. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.